How about a little video, right? Rubik's Cube. You see Rubik's Cube? Right over here. We got Rubik's Cube. Right here. You see Rubik's Cube over here? Now watch what I'm going to do. Watch what I'm going to do. Click, click. See Rubik's Cube? I'm going to cut the bottom part of the cube off. Okay, and I'm going to paste it. Okay. Boom. Right over here. You see that? Then I'm going to paste the second part of it. Right? Right over there. Look, I'm going to take it away. Boom, boom. Took away that one, took away that one. Now I'm going to put it back. Boom. Codex code. From Rubik's Cube to Codex code. We're going to take this whole thing here. I'm hoping I have my camera in the background, so I'm trying to get this done properly so I can see it, right? And when we pull Venus apart, and I put Venus on top of Venus, we end up with this. Take a look at what that looks like, right? Chaos. See this little special mustache thing here? I don't know what this is, but I know there's codes in here. Okay. See this part over here? I don't know what it is. Maybe I shouldn't do this video until I figure it out, right? We turn it the other way, it becomes 8EIB8 3. It becomes B11 B9, B11 B9, B2 B9. 2 is also like 11, right? 9 plus 2 equals to 11. There's your 2, there's your 9. 9 and 2 is 11. DX bio. DX bio. D4. X is the 24th letter, including Venus in there. So this is just one part of what I've done. Another thing of what I went to do is the Venus code. I'm just trying to see if I have this written down here, and it's the Venus code. See the Venus code? Inside of Venus, let me get this camera bigger for myself. See, here's Venus, adds up to 81. When you use 4 and 5 equals to the sun, 531 says ace. Ace, sun, fox, passage. This will create 29. It will create the IT system. The AI system is in 19, which we get the spirit. 1 is inside 9. Minus and plus is 7 and 9 equals to 16. Becomes the letters S, okay, for 19, and 16. 16, 19 are in the same range. They're above and below 18, okay. Ra, all the terminologies for Venus. 5 and 22, 22 and 5. They reverse of each other. VE. Nus, okay, is ass. Sun, ass, sun, ve. 5, 4, 4, 6, 8. 4, 6, 8. So we're going to take that 4, 6, 8. We're going to take away the first ones. It repeats, right? One side and the other side. Once it repeats, 4, 8, 6. We're going to start at the bottom. 8, 7, 3. Double each of these up. 8 and 8 is 16. 1 and 6 is 7. 7 and 7 is 14. 1 and 4 is 5. 14 and 16. Spirit of the half-life. 14 is the DNA. Creation. Then it becomes 7, 5, 6, which becomes 18 total. 7 times 5 is 35, times 6 is 210. Did I get that right? 210. That's your cube in the Mayan. The connection between 9 days, 24 hours. Man is 24 hours. 7 and 7 is 14, 1 and 4 is 5, 5 and 5 is 1, 6 and 6, boom. It says ace. 1, 2, 6, 2, 4, 3 is the vibration, and then we're in 4, 8, 6. And that's where we pick up 4, 8, 6. Now the reverse into the 9 worlds. 5 and 4, 4 and 5, 5 and 4, 6 and 3 and 1. Boom, 5, 3, 1, ace again. Ra. Sun is 54. The reverse of Venus, 5, 22, 13, 6 and 8, 54. Ra, sun god. Win a big red sun. 7 times 2, 7 plus 2 equals N, 14, AD for the numbers. 7 and 2 is GI, B. Bi, GI. G and I is 7 and 9. Bi is 2 and 9. That is the birth in the gateway. W, B, C, and E. The thing about altered current, for those who don't know, I just want to skip off this video because it's going to be the year 2017. Bring that to the 7th gate. We get 5, 7, 6, 0. This, in the Hebrew language, 5760, is equivalent to the year 2000. At the same time, 7 also gets reverted to another number, right? 0 and what equals to 7. Now we bring this to the gateway, to 4. We add 2, we add 4, we add 3, right? 0 stops me from going backwards. We have 2, 4, 3. That is your vibration. 2, 4, 3, and it's minus or plus 6. Minus 3 or plus 6. 2, 4, 3, 6 is the number. 3 and 6 come together because you can minus this one. You can't minus this, you can't minus this, you can't minus this, 201. So that brings us to the year 2000. In rotation, if we want to go rotation of ABC, we get 246, 483, 876. Since we get 876 over here, then we get 753 over here. This is the gun, under the gun. This is in rotation. Why? Because 3.75 is the movement of time. Multiply this by what number? Multiply this, 3.75, 60 seconds times 60 divided by 3.75 equals to 16. Spirit of the half-life running by the clock. That is Mars. Mars, all these numbers to Mars. I'm going to start making shirts just with all these numbers. 5 times 4 equals 20, plus 9 equals to INT. The reverse of these two will equal to R, and the reverse of this will equal to G. GR. 18 and 7 is 25. It becomes Y, and this Y is the number to Earth. This is 29 and 25, and 25 equals to 54, and that is the sun birth on Earth. And this is what we get. Love in English. We play it between English and French. The difference between the two is 14. It's your DNA. You add this together. What do you get? That's right. You get number 23. 4 and 8 is 12. 1 and 2 is 3. 6 and 5 is 11. 1 and 1 is 2. This will now create something else. This will create 14. At the same time, 9 and 5 is 14. 1 and 4 is 5. We get 5 and 5. So this is what we basically get from the basic numbers. Anyways, Pegasus is number 88. 88 also stands for purple. Purple is what connects the skies. I just know that when you want to get purple, we have to use red 27 and we have to use blue 40. We also have to understand that this has to be done French and English. We have to find the in-between between the French and the English. Le means reader or reader card. Things that we talk about. A board. Are you boarding on the plane? Are you bored? A board, a wood, a plank, a board. Walking the plank. So there's all these numbers. Another thing I want to say is when V and E come together in Venus, it creates 225. 9 times 25, which is the birth on Earth. 15 times 15, okay, is 225, and that's your connection to Mars. The other one is 45 times 5, which is the foxhole passage in the sun, equals to 225. 22.5 is that mark. Minus 9 and add 9, you get 216 and 234. And that is your vibration. 234, what is so great about 234 to the 90-degree angle? Because 234 to the 90-degree angle is 6 and 4 equals 0. Carry the 1. 6, 3, and 1 is your touchdown. Bring it to 0. 6 and 2, carry the 1, equals to 666. This one over here will equal to 684. 684. And it's also 8640, the seconds in a day. And this one over here will equal to 665. Raphael, 7286 in the constellation of Pegasus. What are we trying to look for? What do we want? We want the result. What is the result? What we are looking for? What is the science basics of our search? Thank you for watching.